Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple platform where you can be able to create for school managers and students to check their results over here. So this is a simple platform, a simple plugin which you can be able to use. I've created a video I think last year about how to create a results checker platform and all those things. That plugin I think is not really functioning very well, so I decided to search for another plugin which can be able to help you guys to be able to create a simple school results checking platform for any school website that you are creating. So this is how it looks like. So users can be able to come here and then check their class, check their results by using their class, the term that they want to check the results from, and then the serial number or the any number that or the roll number or whatever it is, but in this case it is a serial number, the registration number, and then the year that they are in. So for instance, let's say I want to check somebody's results for the person, so I can easily do that by selecting the year, the class, the exam that they are checking the results for, and then the serial number. So I'm going to just pick this serial number over here. So this is a serial number I created myself. I'm going to put it over here, and then also the registration number. So I'm going to just put it this one too over here, and then I'm going to go and then select the year. So it is only 1 year in it, and then I'll click on what view results. Okay, so they are telling me results is not found. So now let's just go ahead and then change this one to a different one over here. So I'm going to change this one to, let's say 6 over here, and then change this one to 2, and then view results, and then see. Now as you can see, this one, the results is what is there. It means that the first one is not existent, but this one is what is correct. So as you can see, everything works perfectly. All the results are showing over here, and then the student can be able to print the results out. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Now this is just a simple website, okay? So it doesn't have too many things on it, but the plugin that is what making this thing work is superb, is perfect, and it's I've tried it a couple of times and it's working perfectly well. The other plugin wasn't really working, so this one is working. Now this is how the website really look like to somebody who is not logged into the website. So if you want to go to the website, when you type in the URL, okay, and then you click over here, you want to go and then check the website out. Now they will tell you to log in, okay? So if you are not logged in, you cannot be able to view your results. Now if you don't have an account over there, you need to create an account, and this is how the account creation process goes. Now you need to fill in this form over here. So let's say I want to create an account. So let's say I want to create an account for let's say Kobe for the first name, and then maybe Evans for the second name. For the middle name, I'll say maybe this Kobe, and then Evans for the last name. And then let's say the username will be Kobe Evans. Okay, and then we also go to the email. So I'm going to choose any email address that I want to use. So I'm going to use this email address over here. Let me just change the email address to a different email address. So I want to use this one over here, okay? And then let's say I will select the class. So what class are you in? So I'm in JHS 1, junior high school 1, and then you enter your password. So I'm going to enter my password over here. So I'll say so I'm entering my password, and then I'll click on register. Now at the moment you register, it's going to send you straight to checkout, because you need to buy, you know, you need to buy before you can be able to register. So it's more or less like you need to buy a checker before you can be able to register. Now the checker is more or less like you getting access to the website. Now as you can see over here, maybe you might think, oh, the registration have gone on, I've registered. This is just a redirect to what, to a checkout page or something like that. Now if you click on this same thing again, it will send you to what, it will send you to the login page again, because you haven't, bought any, you haven't paid for your credentials. And basically your credentials are just your email address and your password, which you need to pay for before you can be able to access, or log in to access your results. Okay, so if you are already a student over there, of course you can go ahead and then log in with your credentials and check your your results. But then if you are not, then you need to go ahead and then add this product to cart. Okay, just go ahead, fill in the details over here. So let's say I want to fill in the details over here, and then let's say I want to fill in these details, and then go ahead, let me just put in anything over here. Okay, put in the email address, and then just put in my username over here. So I want to say Kobe Evans, and then just enter my password, and then let me go ahead and then place order. Now of course it is what, cash on delivery, but then at the moment I place order, and then my order is what, have been received, everything is going right. If the admin approves, okay, if the admin goes ahead and then go over here, and then let's say the admin goes to the orders over here, go over there and then go to what, go to approve it. Okay, so the admin goes over here, and then this is what I just did over here. So I'm just going to go over and then just approve it. And then let's say I go over here and then I change it from processing to completed. Okay, and then I click on update over here. So if at the moment the admin approves, okay, and I go back to the website over here and I click on results, now it's not going to take me to the login page again. I'm going to go ahead and then check my my results over here, and that is exactly how this thing works. Okay, so this is just a simple platform which you can be able to create for your school, or any school website that you are creating for your teachers to be able to upload their results over there. Now the plugin works really fine. The plugin is working really fine. You can check all your students over there. You can check all students over here, all the students that you have over here. You can also go ahead and then check all the results and upload all results. You can even add students. You can do a whole lot of things over there. Okay, so this plugin is just like the previous one, but this really works well, and I think you guys can be able to use this one to be able to create any school website that you. Now this is an introductory video. I'm doing a complete video on how I created this particular website over here. So if you like it and you are interested in it, you can leave a comment and just say I'm interested, or anything that will let me know that people are interested in this tutorial, and then I'll complete it and then upload it for you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.